Hello guys, I told you in the before video that I will be back with still other toys. Now I am back with a toy which is the Mega Nerf gun. So this gun is colored as red, orange and black, and here the bullets are not like the thin bullets which we have. These are like so fat bullets. It can it can get you a lot of pain if we shoot someone. And this is the Mega Nerf gun, and here we have some Roto Fury, and actually I like this gun as it paints a lot of pain for other people if we shoot. And this is so easy, I'll show you. Like, I loaded this, that's why that sound will come like that. And this loading part, it's so easy, even LKG children can do this loading part. See, easy. If you come back and do it, for some guns it will be hard, but now it's easy for this gun. And here if we see, we have this nerf symbol. It's not like only the nerf gun, it's the Mega nerf gun. In the before so many months I showed you my small green orange nerf gun, but it's not the Mega nerf gun. This is the real Mega nerf gun. Okay, if you want more about this, go to my description and see. I posted so many about this gun. Thank you guys. Bye. You need to subscribe my channel, like and share. Okay guys, bye.